Okay, so the first thing is we pick the tooth number, and then we just pick the mold for the tooth that we want, or the shape of the tooth. And then with the model, we scan it and mark the margins. And we tell the computer where the crown is supposed to go around the tooth. And then we pick design. And the technology, the software designs the crown. And then the assistant Heidi touches up the design. And we can decide exactly how tight we want the crown to be to the tooth next door. So the contacts, we can set those exactly where we want them, to the micron. And then we can apply a bite registration to tell us how tall to make the crown, so we can know how heavy the bite needs to be on it. And then when we think we're done with the design, actually there's one more thing about the design. The material thickness is also a really important part. So it tells us exactly how thick the porcelain is. And then when we're done, we do a simulation of the mill. And then in a second, it's going to allow me to look inside the crown to make sure there's no interferences with cementing the crown. And we flip that model upside down, and it shows no blue. So the crown is going to have no problems sitting down on the tooth the way it's supposed to. And then we can take a cross section, and we can see that the space we allowed for the cement is perfectly even all the way around, and you can do that in any different orientation that you want. And then when you're done, you send it to the mill.